Ever thought about the benefits of online shopping for hunting and sport gear? Well, it's time to dive in. Imagine this. You're nestled in your favorite armchair, sipping a piping hot cup of coffee and browsing through an endless array of hunting and sport gear. No need to step out of your comfort zone or worry about store timings. That's the beauty of online shopping. It's a 24/7, all-year-round retail therapy. You can shop for your desired gear at any time from anywhere. No more fretting about the store closing just when you're off work or traveling miles to find that particular brand of hunting boots. It's all right there, at your fingertips, just a click away. www.huntingandsportstore.com. So, whether it's the crack of dawn or the dead of night, your shopping spree need not be bound by the clock. So the first major benefit of online shopping for hunting and sport gear is convenience, saving you time and effort. Moving on to the next advantages, let's explore the variety and cost-effectiveness of online shopping. One of the greatest boons of the digital marketplace is the staggering variety it offers. With a few clicks, you can browse an extensive selection of hunting and sport gear from all over the world. This means you're no longer limited to what's available in your local store. You can find that specific brand of binoculars or that particular type of camping tent you've been looking for. Moreover, online shopping allows you to compare prices from different retailers at a glance. No need to travel from store to store, exhausting yourself in the process. It's all here at www.huntingandsportstore.com. You can ensure you're getting the best deal without leaving the comfort of your home. This leads to cost-effective purchases, ensuring you get more bang for your buck. Hence, a wider variety and cost-effectiveness are significant benefits you can enjoy when shopping online for your hunting and sport gear. Another benefit that cannot be overlooked is the access to expert reviews when shopping online. Indeed, the digital marketplace is teeming with reviews from outdoor enthusiasts and experts alike. These aren't just your average Joe's opinions, but informed perspectives from individuals who've put these products to the test in the great outdoors. Here's the thing. When you're standing in a physical store, you're often left relying on the salesperson's pitch. But online, you've got a multitude of voices at your disposal, offering detailed, hands-on experiences. Whether it's the durability of a hunting knife, the accuracy of a fishing rod, or the resilience of a camping tent, these reviews provide a 360-degree view of the product. This wealth of information helps you make informed decisions, ensuring you get gear that's tailored to your needs. To sum up, online shopping for hunting and sport gear offers numerous benefits, including convenience, a wide variety, cost-effectiveness, and access to expert reviews. So the next time you need new gear, why not try shopping online? Go to www.huntingandsportstore.com for all the hunting and sport gear you need for your next hunting adventure.